As per Government of India, it is directed to set up an electric vehicle charging station at every 3 kilometers in cities and 25 kilometers on highways on both sides. Electric vehicle charging station will take place of the current petrol pumps that we are using for decades. Now obviously it will be a good option for starting your charging station business in this sunrise industry. There are basic questions that comes in our mind before starting this electric vehicle charging station business. First, which chargers we will select. Second, how much land we require. Third, is there any specific license do I require? So in this video, we'll learn about all the questions that comes in our mind. Before starting a electric vehicle charging station business in India, the primary question that comes in our mind, that is which type of chargers do I need to select? There are several types of chargers that are available in market. That may be your AC charger, that may be your DC charger, that may be your fast charger, that may be your slow chargers. So let's see the types of chargers first of all. The types of charging station as per the government. So in this slide, here you can see the type of charging station. Here you can see there are two types of chargers. One is your slow charger and another is your fast chargers. So slow charger is basically comes in a range of 2 kilowatt to 22 kilowatt, and the fast chargers is basically comes under greater than 22 kilowatt to 250 kilowatt plus. Now in case of fast chargers, mainly 50 kilowatt chargers are very common. So here you can see the slow charging station or slow chargers available in market. This fast charger is basically Bharat AC 001, then there is Bharat DC 001, then there is type 2 AC chargers. These three chargers are very popular in Indian market and also the world market. Basically the auto OEMs prefers these three types of chargers. Now this Bharat AC 001 and Bharat DC 001 is basically a India standardized charger that only you will find in India, and this type 2 AC chargers is basically you will find in India and also the European countries follows this type of charger. Now this Bharat AC 001, as you can see, there is 3 output. So each output you will get 3.3 kilowatt of power. In Bharat DC 001, as per the name DC 001, this is a DC chargers. Now the output range is basically ranges from 42 volt to 72 volt. So this two chargers is basically used for two-wheeler and three-wheeler charging. Then the next charger, here you can see type 2 AC charger. So as I said, this is very much popular in European countries. All the European auto manufacturer and also Indian auto manufacturer prefers this type of type 2 AC chargers. Now this type 2 AC chargers is basically starts from 3 kilowatt, 3.3 kilowatt to 22 kilowatt of range. So in this range, this type 2 AC charger we get in market, and the output current is basically 16 ampere to 32 ampere. So you can say this type 2 chargers is ranges from a slow charging to moderate level of charging. In this slide you can see this is the fast charging station available in market. So the first one is a CCS charger, combined charging system, and here you can see the CHAdeMO. CCS is basically invented in European countries. This CHAdeMO is a Japan standardized charger. So this both chargers is basically fast chargers. So this chargers comes from a range of 50 kilowatt at least. So in Indian market also this type of chargers are we need to install if you want to start a fast charging station business. You want to start a fast charging station business like your Tata Nexon, like your Hyundai Kona. This type of electric cars is actually requires this type of chargers. Then the next question that comes in our mind Is there any specific license do I require? There is no specific license required to set up charging station in India. So there is no specific license required to set up charging station in India that is directed by Government of India. But every public charging station that is called PCS shall be operational only after the inspection and clearance as communicated by a suitable clearance certificate by the concerned electrical inspector or technical person designated specified by the distribution company, your local distribution company. DISCOMs may also empanel one or more third party authorized technical agency for this purpose. So, DISCOM may also hire some third party, they will authorize or they will inspect your charging station and they will give you the clearance certificate for setting up your charging station. So, that is the process. So, here there is no specific license, but for some specific, suppose you need to draw current or you need to get power from 33 by 11 kV line. So, there we need some clearance and certification. The next question is how much land we required. At any electric vehicle charging facility, adequate space must be allocated for vehicle parking and movement. Installation of charging point, signage and barriers and any upstream electrical infrastructure that may be required. The requisite space for a car parking bay is generally 5 into 25 meter. Including the vehicle circulation space, the equivalent car space for car parking is 23 to 32 square meter, depending on whether it is open parking or basement parking. So, here you can see for fast charging station, we need minimum space of 15 meter into 7 meter. So, these are some basic questions that you need to know before starting your electric vehicle charging station. In the next video, we will come with another type of question that you need to know before starting your charging station. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for your support.